Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I'll be styling this wig from Ashimary Hair. It sent me this highlighted 1B/30 wig. This is a 13x4 transparent lace. It's not HD. Then I decided to give it these kind of beachy curls. I don't know if I did a good job. I'm still kind of working on it. But I just kind of did these curls because the hair was straight. Kind of messy beachy waves. And I felt like, I don't know if I did a good job, but still working on that. I feel like I don't know how to curl hair anymore these days. But I am trying to learn more techniques and stuff. But anyway, let's get straight into the video. We are going to cut the lace. I'm also going to tint the lace first because obviously you can see the lace is quite light. This isn't HD lace. This is just regular transparent lace. So we're going to tint this. What I use for tinting is the Wig Guru's tint spray. I mix together caramel frappe and finest mocha. 2 parts caramel frappe and 1 part finest mocha. Using the Ebin Wonder, the red spray. Just gonna push the spray into the hairline. From the same brand, I'm using the Ebin Wonder Melting Spray, and that's just gonna go right at the edge to melt any bits that are still sticking up. And I find that this works really well. So I started adding this. It works really well if it's HD lace. Let's see what this is gonna look like with a transparent lace. We're going to use my elastic band to set this down even more. I really want to get that beachy, messy curl. Don't know if I'm going to do it well, especially with short hair. I feel like she rolled it all the way in. to let it set. And then she twisted it and pulled. Well, and this is just like very basic, nothing special. So that's it for the video. I will link the hair info and description down below as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.